Hole 9 says it's 292 downhill with a severe downhill run-up. I'm going to throw this right into the ground. All right, keep it high, John. Keep it high. You're going downhill. Keep the disc high. That worked out much better than I thought it did when I let it go.